Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can customize your toolbar here on Google Chrome. For example, if you'd like to gain quick access to tools and extensions and buttons like the Start Page button or the Extensions button or the Google Lens tool and so on and so forth, guys. And you may enable or disable these tools and extensions through your toolbar customization here in Google Chrome. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. Launch Google Chrome. And here on your home screen, click on these three dots and click into Settings to access your browser settings. And inside your browser settings, head over to Appearance here on the left-hand side. And here at the top, you will see a feature called Customize Your Toolbar, which is exactly what I just described. So you may, for example, reset it to its factory settings by clicking on this button here, or click on this button to get redirected to that customization panel here on the right-hand side. So here you may decide whether you'd like to enable or disable the aforementioned tools, extensions, and buttons like the home button or the forward button or a button for the new incognito window or the bookmarks bar or the bookmarks button, the download location, the history tool, delete browsing data, and so on and so forth. So simply toggle the tool or extension on here to the right or toggle it off depending on your decision, and that should enable or disable your tool or extension inside your toolbar here in the top right. And that's basically it, guys, or here in general at the top. That's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.